In this video, I will show you how to play Girls Frontline 2 Exilium on PC. So let's jump straight into it. Now, it's absolutely possible to play this game on PC using something called BlueStacks. Now, BlueStacks is an Android emulator. What this means, it's basically an emulator which allows you to play Android games and apps on your PC. Now, what I will do is leave a link to this website in the video description down below. So if you go ahead and click that link, you'll be taken to a website like this. On this website, you're going to see a blue button here which says play Girls Frontline 2 Exilium on PC. So what you need to do is give this a click, and that's going to go ahead and download BlueStacks onto your PC. Now, once that's downloaded, give it a click to start installing this. And what you can do is, first of all, install BlueStacks on your PC. So you just want to agree to the terms, and then it's going to start downloading and installing BlueStacks on your PC. So here we are on my desktop. As you can see, it's currently downloading and installing. Now, of course, there's a number of benefits for playing this on PC, especially with BlueStacks. To start with, you're going to have a much bigger screen to allow for a much better experience playing Girls Frontline 2 Exilium on PC. In addition to this, BlueStacks will use your PC resources such as your GPU, CPU and RAM, which is going to offer a smoother experience, including smooth animations and just a better overall gameplay experience. Now, there's a number of cool features on BlueStacks as well, including the option for external gamepad support. So what you can do on certain games and apps is connect a gamepad to your PC and actually play with your gamepad, which is, of course, for most of you, a lot more better rather than just using a touchscreen on your mobile device. In addition to this, BlueStacks do offer a multi-instance feature, which enables you to run multiple instances of BlueStacks, therefore allowing you to run multiple games at once. There is no fee to use BlueStacks, it is completely free to download and use, and there are a ton of different apps and games available. You can also use BlueStacks in-game recording and screenshot feature to take videos and screenshots of your gameplay if you are streaming on things like Twitch and things like that. And with an easy to use interface, along with a host of other features that would be available on BlueStacks but not necessarily on your mobile device, there are a ton of very good reasons why you would want to consider downloading BlueStacks and using this to play Android games and apps on your PC or laptop. So here we are. As you can see, BlueStacks has finished downloading and installing, and it's now starting up. Now, when you initially launch BlueStacks using the link in the video description to download and install, it's going to directly open up this window where you can start installing Girls Frontline 2 Exilium. So what you want to do is click onto the blue install from Google Play button. At this point, it's going to ask you to sign in with your Google account, which is another great thing about BlueStacks because you're not going to lose any saved data. So what you want to do is go ahead and log into your Google account, and once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the app screen. So what you can do is click onto the blue install button, and that's going to go ahead and start downloading and installing Girls Frontline 2 Exilium on your PC. So what we're going to do is just give that a minute or two to download. It shouldn't take too long depending on your internet connection. Once the game has finished installing, what you can do, you're going to see the blue play button, so just give that a click to open it up. So here we are. As you can see, the game is just loading through, so we're just going to accept the privacy protection, and you can see it's very, very smooth. Now, there's going to be an additional update when you first start this game, so you just want to confirm to start downloading that. But as you can see straight off the bat that this does run really smoothly. You can see currently the animations are really smooth. There's no lag at all. It does run really well. So what we're going to do is just give that a minute or two to finish downloading the resources. So as you can see, we have now finished downloading all the resources needed, and what we're now going to do is start the game. So we're just going to sign in with our Google account, or alternatively, you can sign in with your email, Facebook, or whichever method really you want to sign in with. Now, once you have finished downloading all the resources, you'll be taken back to the title screen. What you can do is press start and start playing the game. Now, unfortunately, at the moment, the server is undergoing some maintenance, so unfortunately, I can't show you the actual in-game gameplay. However, as you can see from the animations, that the game does run really well, and that is how to play Girls Frontline 2 Exilium on PC. So, with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.